Aren't you cute? Yes, you are. You're very cute. You're very cute.
Bronson loves that these dogs want him to pet him.
Cute with your little water. You stop trying to do that.
You like those puppies? Look at the sheep have no fear of the dogs, eh? Ah, you're just one of us.
You try to eat mice.
Yeah.
Yes.
Good job, Bronson. Hello, puppy. Hello, puppy. Hello.
Little teethies. Little teethies. I see them.
Who's our cute puppy?
They're roughhousing right now. Here they are.
Oh, did you get Bronson sitting with the sheep? Yeah. Aww.
You're trying to get in there and play
You
with
can pick
them.
him up. I think those are small enough. You could pick him up.
You stop trying to eat.
He wants to rough us
Very
too.
cute though. Little bitty
His
goat
brothers.
club.